Place value is extremely important. We've actually been learning about this for years with the hundreds, tens and units. Here you can see the number 2,345. In the thousands column there's a 2, which is 2,000. In the hundreds column there's a 3, which is 300. In the tens column there's a 4, which is 40. And in the units column there's a 5, which is simply 5. I think you've probably heard of the word rounding as well. But what does it actually mean? Let's look at the number 356. In the hundreds column, there's a 3, which is 300. In the tens column, there's a 5, which is 50. And in the units column, there's a 6, which is simply 6. Now let's round this number to the nearest 10. Remember, in the tens column, we've got a 5, which is 50. Now to round to the nearest 10, like it says here, we need to look at the units column, and here we have the digit 6. If the digit here is 1, 2, 3 or 4, you need to round it down. However, if the digit here is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, you need to round it up. Here we have the digit 6, so 356, rounded to the nearest 10, would have to go up. 356, rounded to the nearest 10, is 360. Here it is slightly different. The number we now have is 352. If we're rounding to the nearest 10, we need to look at the units column. Here we have a 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, round it down. The answer is 350. This time the question has changed. It's asking us to round to the nearest 100. This number is 3,281. Now because we're rounding to the nearest 100, we look at the hundreds column and look to the right, into the tens column. Now here we have an 8, which represents 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, round it down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round it up. We're clearly rounding up. Pause the video and have a little think about your answer. I'll give you a clue. You're either rounding down to 3,200 or rounding up to 3,300. Now in the tens column we have an 8, which is clearly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round up. So the answer should be 3,300. Now it is time to have a go yourselves. Complete the rounding questions in your homework book. The same questions will be on Google Forms if you follow the link. If you put your answers in here, you'll be able to get immediate feedback to see where you've gone right and to maybe see where you've gone wrong. Next week you'll be coming straight into class and completing rounding activities based on your homework. Good luck.